So good morning students. We are learning about the division of decimal numbers or decimal fractions. We have already learned how to multiply and now we are going to learn how to divide. Okay. So if I give you number 6.2 multiplied by 2. First, you need to convert these two into common fractions. Now, how do we convert a number with decimal into common fraction? It's very easy. When you have only one digit after decimal point, we write it like this. Only 1 0 on 1. Okay. If it was like this, then there are two digits after this decimal point. So this number will be 625 upon 100. We have all practiced a lot for this and now we are going to solve how to divide. Now how will you convert this to? This is division. Sorry. So this will be divided by. There is no decimal fraction. No decimal point, so I'm just going to write like this. Okay? And now, how will you divide this 62 upon 10? While dividing, you just have to reverse it. Reverse means division है, so you will have to do multiplication of 1 upon 2. Okay, that's how we divide. What do we do while dividing? If it is 2 upon 1 and division sign will be converted into multiplication sign and this will be inverted. Numerator will be at the denominator and denominator will be at the numerator. So let's do it this way. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. That means 31 upon 10. And how do we write in the decimal? If we have 1 0, we give decimal point after one digit from the right hand side. Okay? Let's solve the next one. I want you to pause the video and write down this first. Okay? 3.4 divided by 5. So convert these two into common fractions. So 34 divided by 10. How 10? Because only one digit is after decimal point. Divided by 5. There is no decimal point, so this will be only 1. Is equal to 34 upon 10 multiplied by, now I am going to reverse it, okay? 1 upon 5. Okay? So this will be equal to what? 34 upon 50. This will be 34 and 5 tens are 50. Now how can I write this? To make this into 100, I will have to divide this 50 by 2, right? So I am going to divide both numerator as well as denominator by 2. What will I get? 68 upon 100. Now how will you write this into decimal? We have 2 zeros. So count 2 digits from the right hand side and then give decimal point. Excuse me. So 0.68 is your answer. Now the third question is 4.8 divided by 1.2. Now this is also having decimal point. So let's convert them into common fractions. Divided by 12 upon 10. Okay, because this is having one digit after decimal point. So this will be equal to 48 upon 10 multiplied by 10 upon 12. Now this 10 will be cancelled. Okay, and what will we have? 48 upon 12. Now you know that the 12 ones are 12 and 12 fours are 48. So what do we have here? 4 upon 1 and that means 4. I want you to write the steps wise. So pause the video, write it down and that's it for today. Okay? I'll see you tomorrow.